everyone, it's Chrissy here from the Creative Eclectic. I'm here in my car. I just pulled up because I was driving along and I thought, I didn't answer a question for one of my friends yesterday. So it was a really good question, so I thought I would just come here. First of all, before I start, I just wanted to ask everyone, are you okay? It's in Australia, it's Are You OK Day, and it's a great day to check in with your friends and family and just ask if they're okay. I can tell you, as someone who suffers from anxiety and has depressive episodes, having someone ask how you're doing is absolutely fabulous. Even if I don't feel like answering, it's really, really a great thing to do. And also, getting a card from someone is great as well. Good morning, Vicky. Thanks for watching. So the question that I had yesterday when I was at class, Coffee, Cake and Cards, was from Jan, and she asked me about this little thing that I always take to retreats. Now, this is like a pencil case. It's from Stampin' Up, but I'm trying to juggle opening it and showing you. So it's got all these little bits inside, right? Okay, and so this is my secret weapon when I go to retreats. Now, I am off to visit my friend Estelle today, and I don't remember if we're crafting together, if we're talking about something in the catalogue, or what we're doing. So I've picked up this pencil casey thing. Now, you can get something very similar. It's got slots for your tools. I've got my scissors, my Take My Pick tool. I've got Wink of Stella, everything I need, tweezers, everything that I need to make a card. It's got dimensionals, pen, pencil, ruler. Now, you can pick these sort of things up from Officeworks or go online to Amazon or somewhere like that. It's a really great secret weapon to take. It's better than those big bulky pencil cases which you're rummaging around in, you can't find anything. You just zip this open out the little flaps. It's got some zippy bits in it, technical terms there, and just fantastic. Now, my other secret weapon for going to retreats, because I don't know what we're crafting today, and excuse me while I duck my head down and grab it, here's a kit. So this is a Christmas kit. Everything's all pre-cut. So if we are supposed to be crafting together today, I have got my kit that I can share with her. I've got all my tools, and it doesn't take up any room at all. So they are my two secret weapons if you're going to go craft with someone. Have an all-inclusive kit which has your ink, your everything's all pre-cut. You don't have to do any prep. Just grab it and go. I've actually got 3 of them. So if I've forgotten that we're going to be crafting together, then I know that we are just going to have a great morning anyway because I've got everything with me. So Estelle, I'm sorry if I've forgotten. We made our catch-up date at the end of July, so it was a little while ago. So anyway, everyone, I hope you have a really great day, and it's, as I said, Are You OK Day. Reach out and say to someone, are you okay? And bye for now, and happy creating.